Good afternoon. I'm out here at Spring Creek. It's actually Saturday afternoon and we are having our VIP opening. If you missed it, please contact us. Hugh would love to show you our new floor plans here, the Laurel and the Madison that are under roof. Right behind me you can see, and we're having Dusty Boots tours and would love to show you what we're offering here at Spring Creek. Let's go take a peek inside. So we're going to be walking into the Laurel model first. You'll notice this has a lovely front porch and a beautiful foyer. As we enter a nice large foyer, stairs going upstairs. Beautiful little powder room under here. And then you come into this beautiful great room, the large kitchen and island here getting set up with this great fireplace and a patio door out to a covered patio. So this would be your dining area and your great room. And in here is your kitchen. Let me swing around so you can get a better look at that. Kitchen, and off to your left of the kitchen would be your owner's entry over here. And over here would be your access to your owner's room, bedroom. Over this way, we've got a little flex area for a small office or hobby room. Nice little pantry. And then as we go into, well, let's go take a peek out back first. Great lot here, home site with nice flat backyard. And then this great covered patio. We take a peek inside, you see lots of natural light. Go into your owner's suite, here featuring a tray ceiling, nice large windows. And that purple wall you see is for the firewall and for sound attenuation between the paired homes here. You come into your owner's bathroom, we'll have double vanities. This particular model will feature a zero threshold shower, and all of our homes have a bench seat included, toilet area, and then a lovely walk-in closet. So as we come back here, this is the owner's entry area. You'll see zero threshold right into your garage, so no steps. Nice large closet and your laundry area, laundry room. Really conveniently located right here from your garage, just steps from your kitchen. Today, as I said, we're set up for our VIP opening. These are the lots that we have available. You'll see that on our website as well, and obviously our floor plan cards. Great little spread here today. Let's take a peek upstairs. Okay, we come upstairs. This is a beautiful loft living area. Another great space for your man cave, she cave, hobby room. I think one of the best features of both of our plans here is this amazing storage room. Really large storage space. Unconditioned, but great access. And then we have two bedrooms up here with walk-in closets. Let's go in this one on the left. Nice windows and a nice closet here. Plenty of space for your guests, but not too much that they're going to stay comfortable for too long. And another nicely sized bedroom. This one featuring a large walk-in closet for even more storage. And again, this large closet here with plenty of space for games or activities or out of season things. A double vanity toilet. This one will feature our standard tub and surround and a linen closet. So we hope you enjoyed the Laurel plan. Let's take a peek inside the Madison. The Madison features this great side entry, covered as well. Come into a beautiful foyer with flex space downstairs right here. Nice little flex room for a home office. Just past the stairs up here is another lovely powder room and front hall closet, opening up to this amazing great room. The large kitchen, beautiful fireplace, access to your outdoor patio, and dining area. So as we swing around, looking back at the kitchen again, this kitchen will feature L shape of cabinetry. So you'll have your island here with cabinetry behind, and then cabinetry all along this wall as well. This is your owner's entry, and this is your owner's bedroom. And this right here is a nice little pantry. Again, featuring that great outdoor covered patio. Beautiful lot. Lovely little spot. And as you come into your owner's entry again, or your owner's bedroom again, featuring a tray ceiling. That's standard in all of our homes here at Spring Creek. Nice large bedroom, plenty of room for a king size bed and nightstands, dresser, lots of natural light. And in this bathroom, again featuring double vanities, we'll go here. This will have our standard shower with a pan and tile surround. You'll notice the blocking that's being placed within the walls. That's for when and if you need to have grab bars installed. Again, a shower seat. There's your toilet area. Again, noting the blocking for grab bars, and into a nicely sized walk-in closet. Now we're in the garage. As we walk in towards the owner's entry, again, note no steps, straight into your home, really easy to walk in with groceries. Under here, you'll have your water heater, but you'll come in, there'll be laundry right here, nice and convenient. Little drop zone area here. And again, you're right here at your kitchen. Easy to bring in your groceries, really convenient in your kitchen area and great room. And as we come upstairs here, this features a nice large loft area as well for all those special game night events, or if you wanted to put a pool table up here. Just nice space with lots of natural light. Really large. Again, having that awesome walk-in storage space. Plenty of space for those seasonal holiday items, suitcases, extra furniture, all kinds of different things. And this upstairs again features 2 bedrooms, really nicely sized. You can see we're getting our rough in for our HVAC. Both of these rooms feature a nice large walk-in closet. And a Jack and Jill bath. So here'll be a single vanity here. Again, our standard tub and surround. Toilet area with blocking again. And another single vanity. And voila, we are in the other bedroom upstairs with a nice walk-in closet. Beautiful light, lots of space for guests. Again, back around to that awesome loft area. We hope you enjoyed the tour of our new models here at Spring Creek near Zion Crossroads in the Charlottesville area. This is a new community for us, and we hope that you'll come out and visit and explore what we have to offer here. It's an amazing community with a golf course, it's gated, incredible amenity package, and beautiful homes. So give us a call or sign up online. Go to cornerstonehomes.net and look for Spring Creek Community. Sales are open now. Don't miss your opportunity.